ICSE 9 Exercise 21C Solids Selina Solutions by GT Eduhub. Question number 1. Each face of cube has perimeter equal to 32 centimeter. Find its surface area and volume. Each face of a cube has perimeter equal to 32 centimeters. So we are given perimeter 32 centimeter. This is a cube. So we know that perimeter of base of a cube is 4 into side. So 4 into a 32. So a will be 32 upon 4, 8 centimeter. Now we have to find its surface area. Surface area means total surface area. It is 6a square, means 6 into 8 square, 6 into 8 into 8. So multiply it and you get 6 8s the 48, 48 into 8, 384. So 384 centimeter square is our first answer. Now second, we are asked to find its volume. Volume is a cube, 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512 centimeter cube. This is our second answer. Now let's move on to second question. In second question, we are given that a school auditorium is 40 meter long. Question number 2, we are given that in a school auditorium is 40 meter long, 30 meter broad and 12 meter high. So length is 40 meter, breadth is 30 meter and height is given in the question 12 meter. And we are given information, if each student requires 1.2 meter square of floor area, find the maximum number of students that can be accommodated in this auditorium. So for this we have to find the surface area of floor, as each student occupies 1.2 meter cube. So let's find the floor area. Floor area of auditorium will be L into B. This 40 into 30, that is 1200 meter square. Each student acquires 12 meter square. So we will write so it's not 12, 1.2 meter square. So we have to find the maximum number of students that can be accommodated. So maximum number of students will be floor area upon space occupied by one student. Floor area is 1200. Each student acquires 1.2. So remove this decimal, put 10 here, you get 100. So 1000 students. This is our first answer. Now let's read further. Also find the volume of air available in the auditorium for each student. We have to find volume for each student. So first of all, find volume of auditorium. As auditorium is cuboidal in shape, so its volume will be L into B into H. So 40 into 30 into 12 meter cube. Now number of students given are, as if we have found in first part, number of students are 1000. So volume of air required by each student will be volume of auditorium divided by number of students. So 40 into 30 into 12 upon 1000. You need not calculate this, you can cancel it later on. So cut here. 2 2s the 4, 2 5s the 10. So 2 3s the 6, 12s the 72 upon 5. Convert it into decimal. 14.4 meter cube. This is your second answer. Question number 3. The internal dimensions of a rectangular box are 12 centimeter into x centimeter into 9 centimeter. If length of the largest rod that can be placed in this box is 17 centimeter, find x. So first of all, write the dimensions. We are given L 12 centimeter, B x centimeter, H 9 centimeter. The length of the largest rod that can be placed in this cuboid rectangular box. So it will be the length of the diagonal. This is given 17 centimeter. Just keep in mind that this is not a rectangular box. So assume it as a cuboid and not a rectangle. So to solve this, we will use the formula of length of cuboid. So we know that length of cuboid as given is 17 centimeter. And the formula to find it is root L square plus B square plus H square. So it will be 17 centimeter. As we have to find the value of x, we will put the values of L and H in this formula. But first of all, let's remove this square root by squaring both sides. So squaring both sides, we get L square plus B square plus H square equals to 17 squares. Now put value of L 12. B is x, so x square plus value of H is 9, so 9 square equals to 17 square. 17 square is 289. Now solve this. 12 square 144 plus x square plus 81 equals to 289, or x square plus add these 144 plus 81, you get 225 is equals to 289. So x square 289 minus 225 64. Square root both sides, you get x equals to plus minus root 64 plus minus 8. Minus 8 centimeter is rejected as the length cannot be negative. So value of x is 8. This is our answer. Number 3. Question number 4. We are given internal length, breadth and height of a box are 30 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find largest number of cubes which can be placed inside box if edge of the each cube is 3 centimeter. So I am doing first part when I am given A equal to 3 centimeter. Let's first of all find what is given to us. We are given length equal to 30 centimeter. So number of cubes that can be placed lengthwise will be 30 upon 3. कैसे suppose this is given 30 and 3 centimeter is the side of each cube. So we will divide 30 by 3, we get 10. Similarly, we will find number of cubes that can be placed widthwise. We are given width 24 and height is given 15. So widthwise 24 upon side of each cube 3, 8 cubes. Then find number of cubes that can be placed height wise. एक के ऊपर एक कितने स्टैक किए जा सकते हैं, that we can find by dividing 15 by 3, 5. So total number of cubes that can be placed in box will be are 10 plus 8, 10 into 8 into 5, because 10 can be placed lengthwise, 8 widthwise and 5 heightwise. So 10 8s are 80, 5s are 400 cubes. Answer. Fourth question, second part, we are given A is equals to 4, length, breadth and height are same. We will use same method that we have used earlier. So first of all we will find number of cubes that can be placed lengthwise. It will be 30 upon 4. Length is 30, edge of each cube is 4. So convert it, you get 7.5, and we know that 7.5 cubes are not possible to be placed, so we will take the whole number 7. Now number of cubes that can be placed widthwise or breadthwise will be equal to 24 divided by edge of each cube 4. So it comes out to be 6. It is a whole number, so no need to worry. Next is number of cubes that can be placed height-wise. Height is given 15, edge is given 4. So 15 by 4, convert it into decimal, 3.75. Again round it off to nearest, round it off to the square, whole number, it is 3. Don't take 4 because then you are not able to place fourth cube height wise, because the length is only 15, it is not 16. So you will take the lower whole number, it is 3. So total number of cubes that can be placed in box are 7 into 6 into 3. 7, 6 and 3. 7 into 6 into 3. 7 into 18. 126 cubes. This is our answer. Question number 4, third part. A is given 5 centimeter. Length is 30. Breadth is 24 and height is 15. Same process will be repeated again. Number of cubes that can be placed lengthwise equals to 30 upon 5. Length upon edge of each cube. So you get 6. Then number of cubes that can be placed widthwise. Breadth is 24, so 24 upon 5. You get 4.8. Round it off to the lowest whole number, that is nearest lowest whole number, that will be 4. Number of cubes that can be placed height wise. एक के ऊपर एक कितने स्टैक किए जा सकते हैं? So height upon edge 15, edge is 5, so 15 upon 5, 3. So as we have done earlier, total number of cubes that can be placed in box will be 6 into 4 into 3. That is 6 4s are 24, 24 3s are 72. 72 cubes. This is our answer. Now question number 5. This is very important question. We are given a rectangular field is 112 meter long and 62 meter broad. A cubical tank of edge 6 meter is to be dug at each 4 corners of the field. So we are given this rectangular field and we have to dig pits of 6 meter side on each 4 sides. 6, 6, 6 and 6. and whatever earth is dug from these fields, that we have to apply over this remaining area. You have to find, when we spread the earth dug on this area, this portion, then what is the rise in the level of the field. So for this, first of all, find the area of this rectangular field. Area will be L into B, 112 into 62, area of rectangular field. Calculate this. You get 6944 meter cube. Now you have to dig 4 pits and earth has to be removed from these 4 areas. So find volume of earth removed. It will be A cube, and 4 pits are dug, so into 4. So 6 cube into 4. It will be 6 6 the 36, 6 the 216 into 4. So calculate this, 216 into 4. It is 864 meter cube. So this is the volume of earth removed from 4 pits. Now this earth has to be spread over the remaining area. So first of all, we have to find the remaining area of this portion. This portion. So area of remaining field. This is the main point in this question. Area of remaining field will be area of rectangular field minus area of 4 pits. Mark this, students, I am writing here area of 4 pits, not the volume of 4 pits. So area of rectangle we have calculated earlier, 6944. So write this, 6944 minus area of 4 pits. As we know that all these 4 pits are square, so area will be 6 into 6, 6 square. And as there are 4 pits, so I will multiply this by 4. So 6944 minus 36 into 4. You get 144. Subtract this. And you get the area of remaining field, that is 6800 meter square. So area of this remaining field is 6800 meter square. How I have calculated? First I calculated the area of this rectangle, 6944. Then I subtracted the area of these 4 pits from this. Now we have to find the rise in level of field when this much earth is spread on over this area. So let rise in level equal to H meter or X meter. Now we will find the rise. How we will find the rise? Let's write volume of earth dug, earth removed or earth dug. We have earlier found 864 meter cube, and we know that volume का formula क्या होता है? L into B into H. So we will here write L into B means area. So for volume of earth dug, area of remaining field into rise in level, that is X, equals to 864. Area of remaining field was 6800 into X is equals to 864. From here we will calculate the value of X, 864 upon 6800. So make calculation. You get almost 0.127 meter because the height या rise in level will be in meter. Now convert it into centimeter by multiplying it by 100. So you will get 12.7 centimeter approximately. This is your answer. Now question number 6, we are given when length of each side of a cube is increased by 3 centimeter, its volume is increased by 2457 centimeter cube. Find its side. And how much will its volume decrease, that we will do later. First of all, we will find its side. So let length of side be x of cube equals to x centimeter. Now what will be its volume? Volume will be x cube according to formula. Now we are given information if length is increased by 3 centimeter. So new length will be x plus 3 centimeter. And new volume will be x plus 3 whole cube. Now it is given in the question कि if side is increased by 3, volume is increased by 2457 centimeter cube. So according to question, new volume minus initial volume is equals to 2457. This one was initial volume in the starting volume at the start. So x plus 3 whole cube minus x cube equals to 2457. Now we will open this cube, a plus b whole cube. So we will make use of this formula, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here I will apply x cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into x into 3 x plus 3 minus x cube equals to 2457. So ये x cube और ये x cube कट जाएगा. So you get here 3 cube 27 plus 3 is the 9x into x plus cube equals to 2457. और 27 plus 9x square plus 9 is the 27x equals to 2457. और 9x square plus 27x plus 27 minus 2457 equals to 0. 2457 minus 27. Solving this you get minus 2430. This will come as it is. 9x square plus 27x. इन्हें minus किया you get 2430 equals to 0. Now take 9 common. You get x square plus 3x minus 9 to 18 6 270 equals to 0. Or x square plus 3x minus 270 equals to 0 over 9. So solving this you get x square plus 3x minus 270 equals to 0. Now we get a quadratic equation. We will solve this and then we will get the value of x. Let's continue question number 6. We have formed quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 270 equals to 0. Now we will factorize this. For this we have to find two numbers on multiplying which we get 270 and on subtracting which we get 3. So students make calculation. To find these factors I will do prime factorization of 270. 3 9s the 3 30, then again with 3 you get 10, then again with 5 you get 2. Now we have to make pairs to find two numbers on subtracting which we get 3. So I get 5 3 is the 15, 3 3 is the 9, 2 is the 18, 3 3 is a 9, 2 is a 18, and 5 3 the 15, and I know 18 minus 15 is 3. So my factors will be 18 and 15. Okay. So let's factorize it. X square plus 18x, we will split the middle term. 18x minus 15x minus 270 equals to 0. Make pairs. Taking x is common, we get x plus 18 minus. From here we will take 15 common. So x, क्योंकि माइनस बाहर लिया है, साइन विल चेंज. देन वी गेट 270 को 15 से डिवाइड करेंगे, यू गेट 18. So again take x plus 18 common, and in other bracket you get x minus 15 equals to 0. Now take x plus 18 0, and then x minus 15 equals to 0. Here you get x equals to minus 18. Here you get x equal to 15. Minus 18 is rejected because length of the cube cannot be negative. So our answer is 15. So length of, we have to find side. So the required side is 15 centimeter. This is our first answer. Now we are asked how much will its volume decrease if length of each side is reduced by 20 centimeter. Now we have to do this question again. Let's restart. So as we have taken let side, we will not take side, we have already calculated. So side is 15 centimeter. So first of all we will find volume. Volume will be a cube, that is 15 cube. Make calculations, you will get 15 into 15 into 15, you get 3375 centimeter cube. Now use addition, this is initial volume. Now additional information is given that we have to find how much will its volume decrease if length of each side is reduced by 20%. So let's find the new side. New side will be 15 minus 20% of 15, because 20% जो है लेंथ को हम रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं. So you get 15 minus 20 upon 100 into 15. 20, 5 is the 100, 5, 3 is the 15. 15 minus 3, 12 centimeter. This is our new side. Now find new volume, here decreased volume. New volume is, again using formula a cube, it will be 12 cube. Solve this, 12 into 12 into 12, you get 1728. Now we have to find the decrease in volume. So decrease in volume is equal to initial volume minus new volume. Initial volume is 3375 and new one is 1728. So 3375 minus 1728. Subtract it. You get 1647 centimeter cube. This is your answer for question number 16. Now let's move on to question number 7. Now we will do question number 7, which is very important. We are given that here is a rectangular tank whose length, breadth and height is given 30, 20 and 12, and it contains the water up to the depth 6 centimeters. So here it is 6 centimeter. So we will take length 30 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, and height of water level will be 6, not 12, because the tank is not full. It contains water only up to 6 centimeter. Now we are given that a metal cube is poured in it whose side is 10 centimeter. तो हमने इसमें एक क्यूब डाल दिया स्टूडेंट्स. लेट दिस बी द मेटल क्यूब जिसका हाइट 10 सेंटीमीटर है. एज ऑफ क्यूब इज 10 या साइड ऑफ क्यूब इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. नेचुरली जब हम किसी बकेट में या किसी वेसल में एक क्यूब को डालेंगे देन द लेवल ऑफ वाटर विल राइज. नेचुरली इट विल राइज अप टू some portion of level will rise. Let it be the new level. पर अभी भी क्यूब पूरा सबमर्ज नहीं हुआ है. वी आर आस्क्ड कि हाउ मच मोर वाटर मस्ट बी पोर्ड इन इट. कितना पानी इसमें और डालें कि ये क्यूब पूरा इसमें सबमर्ज हो जाए. मीन्स वी हैव टू मेक द लेवल ऑफ वाटर अप टू हेयर. ये एम्प्टी स्पेस है. कितना और पानी डालें कि क्यूब इसमें पूरा सबमर्ज हो जाए. तो उसके लिए कैलकुलेशंस कैसे करेंगे. लेट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द वाटर present, volume of water present in tank when cube is submerged. When cube is placed in it. क्यूब को प्लेस करने पे इसका लेवल यहाँ तक हो रहा है. इट विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन टैंक प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन टैंक क्योंकि टैंक एक क्यूबॉइड है. इट विल बी L इंटू बी इंटू एच एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब विल बी साइड क्यूब ए क्यूब. So length is 30, breadth is 20 as given in the question and height we will take 6 क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इसमें 6 सेंटीमीटर तक पानी था. प्लस जब इसमें क्यूब डाला तो पानी का लेवल बढ़ गया. क्यूब का साइड दिया 10 सो इट्स वॉल्यूम विल बी 10 क्यूब. नाउ मेक कैलकुलेशंस. 3 2 6 6 6 36 3600 प्लस 1000 इट इज़ 4600 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो क्यूब को सबमर्ज करने पे वाटर में पानी में का वॉल्यूम 4600 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है. नाउ वी हैव टू पोर सम वाटर ताकि जो ये लेवल है यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक हो जाए. वी नीड टू फाइंड कि इतने पोर्शन में कितना पानी आएगा. वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर टू बी एडेड. सो वी विल राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर needed to submerge cube of height 10 सेंटीमीटर. क्योंकि क्यूब पूरा तभी डूबेगा जब उसका हाइट जो है 10 सेंटीमीटर जितना पानी होगा. सो इट विल बी L इंटू बी इंटू एच. लेंथ इज 30, बी इज 20 एंड हाइट वी रिक्वायर इज 10. So it will be 6000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो इतना पानी होगा तो क्यूब पूरा सबमर्ज हो जाएगा. नाउ एक्स्ट्रा वाटर टू बी पोर्ड. एक्स्ट्रा वाटर टू बी पोर्ड विल बी इक्वल टू वी नीड 6000. ऑलरेडी इसमें 4600 है तो इन्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 6000 माइनस 4600 you get 1400 centimeter cube. Now one more step we have to do. We are asked to find the volume of water in liters. So we will have to convert this into liter. For this divide 1400 centimeter cube by 1000. So you get 1.4 liter. Because in 1 liter there are 1000 centimeter cubes. So divided by 1000. So this is your answer for question number 7. This is very important question. Now students, let's do question number 8. The dimension of a solid metallic cuboid are 72 into 30 into 75 and it is melted and recasted into identical solid metal cubes with edge of each 6 centimeter. We have to find the number of cubes formed. So let's start. We are given a cuboid. This is the cuboid. Length 72 centimeter. Breadth 30 centimeter. And height 75 centimeter. इसी से मेल्ट करके वी हैव टू मेक सम स्मॉल क्यूब्स, सॉलिड मेटेलिक क्यूब्स, जिनका साइड होगा 6 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स वी आर गिवन A इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स दैट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम इट. इसके हमने क्यूब्स बनाने हैं. कितने क्यूब बनेंगे दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. तो लेट्स टेक द नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स फॉर्म्ड बी n. लेट number of cubes formed equals to n. Students, keep in mind when we are melting this cuboid, it means all the volume of this cuboid will be equal to the total volume of all these cubes, क्योंकि इसी में से हम सारे cubes form कर रहे हैं. Now volume of cuboid will be equal to volume of 1 क्यूब इंटू n, क्योंकि इसका वॉल्यूम इनके टोटल वॉल्यूम के हमेशा इक्वल होगा, बिकॉज नो अदर मेटल इज एडेड. इसी को मेल्ट करके ये बनाया. दिस यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इज L इंटू B इंटू H. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब वी नो दैट A क्यूब इंटू n. n मीन्स नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स दैट आर फॉर्म्ड. L is 72, B is given 30 in the question, height is given 75, A is given 6. So put all values. So you get this. Now we have to find n. So I will divide all this by this. So I get 72 into 30 into 75 upon 6 cube is equals to n. ये 6 cube इधर आकर divide हो जाएगा. Now rewrite n equal to 72 into 30 into 75 upon 6 into 6 into 6. Now solve this. 6 12s the 72, 6 2s the 12, 2 3s the 6, 3 10s the 30. So 10 into 75 you get 750. So your answer is 750 cubes. This question was comparatively easy than the earlier one. Now let's continue with question number 8. We have found the number of cubes, that is 750. We are also asked to find the cost of polishing all the surfaces of the surfaces of all the cubes formed at the rate of rupees 150 per square meter. We have to find the cost of polishing all the surfaces. So let's find the surface area of 750 cubes. When we are asked to find surface area, it means total surface area. So we know that surface area of a cube is 6a square and we are given 750 cubes. So multiply it by 750. So you get 6 into a square means 6 square into 750. So 6 into 6 into 6 into 750. So students make calculation. This will be 216 into 750. So you get 162,000 centimeter cube. This is the surface area of all the 750 cubes. Now we have to find cost, and the cost is given at rate of rupees 150 per square meter. So we have to convert it into square meter, centimeter square. So 162,000 2 बार 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then it will get converted into meter square. 2 zeros cancel, this zero cancel, so you get 16.2 meter square. Now find the cost. So cost of polishing is 150 rupees per square meter है. So 150 into 16.2, multiply it. You get 2430 rupees. This is your answer. Let's start question number 9, students. We are given dimensions of a carpet rule are 50 centimeter, 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter, which is full of petrol. Car is full of petrol, it means we have to take height puri ki puri 24. Now car's average consumption is 15 kilometer per liter, and you have to find the maximum distance that can be covered by car. For this we have to find the volume of petrol in car. Volume of petrol in car, that will be L into B into H, because the petrol tank is cuboidal in shape. So 50 into 32 into 24, make calculations. You get 38400 centimeter cube, and we are given average consumption in liters. Just see in question it is given 15 kilometer per liter, so convert it into liters by dividing by 1000. 2 zeros cancel और यहाँ पर decimal put करेंगे, you get 38.4 liters. So the petrol in the car is 38.4 liter. Now to find maximum distance, let's make use of unitary method. We will write distance covered by 1 liter petrol. It is given in the question 15 kilometer. So distance covered by 38.4 liters of petrol will be 15 into 38.4. Multiply this. You get 576 kilometers. This is your answer. So now let's move on to the last question of this exercise, question number 10. Let's do question number 10, which is the last question of this exercise. Dimensions of a rectangular box are in ratio 4:2:3. This is given in the question. So we are given dimensions. The difference between cost of covering it with paper at 12 per meter square and with paper at rate of 13.50 per meter square is rupees 1248. Find the dimensions of the box. Means we have to find length, breadth and height. So let's start. Length, let L equals to 4x, B 2x and H equals to 3x. Now the difference between cost of covering it with paper. Paper से cover करें, it means we have to find the surface area. It is a rectangular box, so we will find total surface area of box, which is a cuboid. It will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 4x into 2x plus BH 2x into 3x plus HL 3x into 4x. It will be 2, 4 2 is the 8, 8x square plus 2 3 is the 6, 6x square plus 3 4 is the 12, 12x square. So add these all, you get 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 12, 26 x square. Now multiply 2 and 26, you get 52 x square. This is the total surface area of the box in meter square. Now we will find cost of covering with paper. Cost of covering with paper at, we are given rupees 12 per meter square. So the total cost will be 52x square into 12. You get 624 x square rupees. It will be in rupees because this is the cost. And another rate is given 13.50. Now find its total cost. So लिखेंगे cost of covering with paper at rupees 13.50 per meter square. It will be 52x square into 13.50. 0. So students, make calculation. 52 into 13.50. You get 702 x square rupees. Now we have found cost at both rates 13.50 and 12. Again, see the question, we are given that the difference between these two costs, ये जो दो costs हमने find किए हैं, this one and this one, difference between these two costs is 1248. So according to question, 702 x square, this one, minus 624 x square is equals to 1248. Now from here we will find the value of x square. Subtract this, 702 minus 624, you get 78 x square equals to 1248. So x square will be equal to 1248 divided by this 78. Make calculations. You get 16. On solving this, you get 16. Now this is the value of x square. Now we have to find x by square rooting both sides. When you square root both sides, you get x is equals to root 16 plus minus, that is plus minus 4. Minus 4 reject कर देंगे because the dimensions length, breadth, height cannot be in negative. So you get x is equals to 4 centimeter, sorry 4 meter, because we are given measurements in meter, 4 meter. Now we have to find the dimensions. So using value of x equal to 4, we will find dimensions. Let's continue. So students, we have found the value of x equals to 4 meter. In the beginning of the question, we have assumed length equal to 4x. So it will be 4 into 4, 16 meter. Breadth, we have taken 2x. So it will be 2 into 4, 8 meter. Height, we have taken as 3x. So it will be 3 into 4, 12 meter. These three are our answers. Dimensions means length, breadth and height. That's all students. Thank you.